one-hand keyboard. iPhone displays are getting bigger, which makes typing challenging, particularly with one hand. Thankfully, you can enable one-hand keyboard features on your iPhone, so you can use one hand to type, the other to whatever else it is that you need to do. Simply follow these steps. First, hold the keyboard, hold the emoji or global icon on the bottom left corner. Choose the left or right hand keyboard icon. Tap on arrow and blank space that's created by keyboard shift to go back to normal. Number 19. Use text message threads. Getting multiple short texts from friends. Here's a super tip for you. You can hide text messages alert so you can get refreshed with alerts. Every time you receive text from a particular person or group, simply follow these steps. Start the message app, swipe left on the text chat you want to mute. Tap on hide alert button. Number 20. Type to Siri. Talking to Siri in public is somewhat crazy. Thankfully, you can use your finger rather your voice to ask Siri questions. Here's how. Start the settings app on your iPhone. Now tap accessibility. Scroll down and tap Siri's. Toggle on type to Siri. Also ensure your phone is silent mode or Siri will announce your answer to everyone. 21. Use the document scanner to Note app. What to scan document quickly? Right from the Notes app. Simply follow these steps. First, launch the Note app. Start a new note or open the existing note. Next, tap on the plus icon that located above your iPhone's keyboard in the center. Next, on tap scan document. Use the shutter button or one of your iPhone's volume button to take a picture of your document. Adjust the corner of the document by tapping and dragging them if it's need to. Finally tap on save. Number 22.